Crowdfunding is a practice of soliciting contributions from individuals to the internet, especially social media platforms, to fund an exercise or venture. CNBC TV 18 Zara Khan, Purnima Murli and Gopika Gopakumar report this is certainly picking up momentum in India, though at the moment it's more widely being used during times of adversity.
It used to be when strapped for cash, ask your friends to help you out. Well now, thanks to the internet and social media, it's become a case of ask your friends, their friends and friends of their friends to bail you out. Well, that's the essence of crowdfunding. And it's already a $5.1 billion market globally, and it is expected to hit $500 billion by 2025. And in most cases, it is used to mop up financing for pretty much any venture or enterprise.
Case in point, the Kochi Muziris Biennial. This 108-day-long art extravaganza is slated to begin on the 12th of December, and everything was going fine. The curators had narrowed down on a theme, and the craftsmen were all set to celebrate their art till funding became an issue. Sponsorship from the Kerala government, which had put up 9 crore rupees of the 16.5 crore rupee budget for this festival in 2012, has been delayed, and the organizers have now turned to crowdfunding to save the day.
The state has made a substantial stake into the first edition and had actually committed and has actually committed to be, to have a substantial stake in the second edition as well. Due to multiple reasons, at this very moment the state is unable to fulfill its commitment. The biennial cannot stop. This process has begun at a very, very grand scale with multiple processes already in flow.
Catapult, a community engagement platform, is targeting a collection of around 15 crore rupees in 90 days. It has so far raised around 1.6 lakh rupees. The process is slow, mainly because
a lot of people do not yet know what crowdfunding is and how it works. The other challenges is it's common to a lot of other Indian startups where you need to first build trust, credibility. You need to start engaging with the community. Ideas and contributions need to come from the community.
These exercises usually follow one of two models, a reward-based model or one based on investment. The biennial follows the rewards model, meaning contributors get tickets and vouchers for the event. But for crowdfunding to pick up, the investment model needs a greater push, and SEBI is on its way to bring out regulations on crowdfunding. With Purnima Murli in Bangalore and Zara Khan in Mumbai, this is Gopika Gopakumar.